fishing with a friend. I brought my bucket, net, and hat, sat down quiet, imagine that. A little crab came crawling near, tickled my toes and disappeared. The waves sang soft, the sky was wide, my boat rocked gently with the tide. I saw a dolphin leap so high, it touched the clouds up in the sky. 1, 2, jump in the blue. 3, 4, splash some more. 5, 6, do fish tricks. 7, 8, feeling great. 9 and 10, dance again. Let's go fishing with a friend. Now it's time to head back home. Waves still whisper, seashells roam, but I'll return, just wait and see, with songs and fish and counting glee.